win tonight, I won't be leaving today. Here to defend my title of Toa Aotearoa.
Last week, we saw the arrival of the mystery 13th warrior.
Personally, I was pretty brassed off to see Logan in there.
It wasn't a surprise, really. I think everyone knew that it would be Logan. It wasn't okay for someone else to come from outside.
A mystery clash, Logan versus Doug.
Everyone was pretty much backing Doug.
All the tour were happy for Doug.
He was fairly ready and he knew he was pretty confident in the fight. All the tour were happy to see Doug come back.
Arigato anau, I Ukitoria Doug.
Doug gave it his all. Both Toa facing off.
Sore, tired, and through like 5 other challenges.
If he was to fall, just make sure that whoever the 13th was if he could just break him.
Comes back to beat Logan, who's just fresh.
Kind of thinking, whoa, man, he must have something special, really.
I guess watch out for Doug.
The Kāhui Toa have a newfound respect for Doug, knowing that he beat Logan, the mystery Toa.
No, nā te kaha Doug, I riru I aia, te mana.
To put him up against someone like Logan was also, I think, really humbling, and also very. It was a big honour for him and for all of us to bring back, last year's champion, and for Ngāti Rangitihi to, take home a mataika. What better mataika than Logan?